Hello, precious family. Welcome back to Glorious Ahumbrasia Kitchen. Adishema, Mimobi Biara Akwaba. And then your baby is simple as always. And then your baby kusia and meku. Eggs and pepper. Ghana way. Okay, it's in. Let's start with me kusia. We're gonna boil the eggs. So 6 eggs. Made the main sugar. We add salt, kakrabi. Just a little bit. It's boiling. Okay, Uncle Sian, fruit. Come on. Okay. Into setting so shaha. Me wa me fresh tomatoes amakatu waha. And I may habanero pepper half. It depends how I open the hot. And I make onions, kakra, and I make papushito and kasa, Ghana papushito. You. And I hand some me wame jane any be onions, slice it, and a spring onions. Yeah, and I make chicha. And then this is I'm gonna add salt to my peppers and my tomatoes. I'm gonna add a little bit ginger. Okay, I added my ginger. That's it. If you don't have earthenware, you can blend it. Use your blender. Obey soup blender now. They are here. This is how we do it. Okay. Our pepper is done. Yes, that's the sauce, pepper. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to drain this water and then put fresh cold water from the tap to let it cool down. Say no, maybe the insuring ebeguhum. So I'm yes. You drain the hot water, then you add cold water. So yes. Because say me the insuring ebeguhum. Then yeah. Okay. See your hand. My den chine kakra. I'm eating sugar kakra. Okay. Then again, I will Eating say na way no water on. What they make kuna shishim. Yeah. I feed it. My own decoration. Yes. Yay. Say no way. Got it. What try? Wrong after. Not only you. Like that. Intin. Oton kusiana na only na onga chim say. I am going to. Na fede ongeti mekon upe meko na ye de gu so ama yes na upe jene so a jene na mama o jene na de so akam no kama and okon ana tienyan say kabo musi. That's say why hey stay. Now I bite it. Aye. This for you. That's good. Yo, tia busianfo. Yang inkosiano. Boiled egg no with our pepper no. Aye kama. Aye dankasa. And also don't make your pepper watery or running. Yeah, it has to be firm. Tin which will make na once I am tomatoes in the I assume too much waha and tin you just have to be firm. Tin the way we a program be an now to be a quasia and now to be a count hoa. Send uncle for bidding Wakai Ghana Kakra. Thanks for watching from Glorious and Hobrasia Kitchen. Love you all. Stay blessed. And thank you all my viewers, my subscribers, those who share my videos and comments. God bless you all. Love you all. Bye.